Perplexity AI for Research and Writing, Mastering AI-Powered Communication Across All Genres. This course equips participants with the practical skills to leverage Perplexity AI across every stage of the research and writing process. Whether you are crafting academic essays, professional reports, creative fiction, business communications, or personal narratives, this course demonstrates how AI can elevate the quality, clarity, and impact of your writing across every genre and experience level. Through guided instruction and hands-on exercises, participants will learn how to conduct deep, source-backed research, generate and organize ideas, build logical arguments, and refine tone, voice, and style to produce polished written work that resonates with any audience. Equal emphasis is placed on developing critical thinking alongside AI use, so that every participant leaves not just as a more capable AI user, but as a stronger, more confident writer in every context they communicate. What you will learn: research and source verification. Conduct rigorous, citation-backed research on any topic with speed and precision, writing across all genres. Apply AI assistance to academic, professional, journalistic, creative, technical, and digital writing. Drafting and revision. Use AI to strengthen logical flow, coherence, tone, and persuasiveness at every stage of the writing process. Prompting and critical evaluation. Craft effective prompts and critically assess AI outputs for accuracy, bias, and relevance. Ethics and originality. Maintain your authentic voice and intellectual integrity while benefiting from AI-powered tools, who this course is. For this course is designed for anyone who writes, professionally, academically, or creatively, and wants to produce higher quality work in less time. No prior experience with AI tools is required. Participants at all skill levels are welcome.